Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I've partnered with TAYLORKGD to bring you guys this really easy makeup look. The star of the show is the TAYLORKGD Aqua foundation. You guys know this is one of my favorite foundations. In this video, I'm going to be letting you guys know about a surprise if you do purchase this foundation. So if you would like to see how to get this complete look from skincare to the makeup, then just keep on watching. Flawless makeup application always begins with really great skincare, and I'm so glad that I'm able to bring you guys one of the most innovative, trustworthy skincare and makeup brands in the industry. So there are 3 steps that I'm going to be showing you guys today. We're going to first cleanse, then exfoliate, and moisturize. I'm starting with the TAYLORKGD Spa Foaming Facial Wash. So in all of their skincare products, there is no artificial colors, fragrance, petroleum-based mineral oil, parabens, or alcohol. So my favorite thing about this facial wash is that it is a very luxurious whipped texture. It cleanses my skin without irritating it. Now, a lot of foaming facial washes that are on the market are more so geared towards people that have oily skin, but this actually is formulated for all skin types. So no matter what your skin type, you will be able to use this cleanser and get that really nice, soft, cleansed skin. So the next step is to exfoliate, and this product is actually the coolest and most innovative product that I have used in my skincare routine, and it is the Glam Spa Gel. Now this is a product that you may not have ever heard of. When you apply this to your skin, it goes on like a gel, and once you start working it into your skin in circular motions, it develops these rubbery balls. So other products that are similar to this, when the product develops those rubbery balls, that is your dead skin cells. With this product, it's completely different. Those rubbery balls that you see on your skin is actually the formula changing into those rubbery balls to pick up only the dead skin cells that are ready to leave. So when you use those abrasive exfoliators, they really just scrub at your skin, basically removing a layer of your skin that may not necessarily be ready to go. I was surprised at how much my skin felt soft because it didn't scrape at my skin like what I'm used to with exfoliators. Now the exfoliating you want to do 1 to 2 times a week, not every single day. The last step is of course to moisturize your skin. I am actually using the TAYLORKGD Moisture Spa Gel Rich. Now there's 2 different moisturizers in the gel formula. One is just gel, and then this one is the Gel Rich. Now this product is actually best for normal to dry skin, and if you watch my videos, you know I have oily skin. However, if I only use a little bit of this product, it works really great for my skin and really just adding that hydration back into my skin and sealing in all of the work that we just did with the cleanser and then the exfoliator. The moisturizer just seals the deal. With this complete system, if you're doing all 3 of these on a regular basis, you will see a dramatic improvement. Whether your skin is oily or whether your skin is dry, you really want to make sure that you're doing a complete system. Wash, exfoliate, moisturize, and the moisturize step is just as important for people with oily skin as it is for dry skin. If you skip the moisturizing step and you have oily skin, it can actually do the opposite effect and make you more oily because your skin is trying to overcompensate for you not moisturizing your skin. So by following these 3 steps to cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize, I keep saying the same 3 things, you will definitely see a huge difference in your skin. So now we're going to move on to the actual makeup application. One of my favorite foundations, you guys already know, is the TAYLORKGD Aqua foundation, so that's what I'm going to be using in this video. Before I apply the foundation, I do want to swatch all 3 of the deeper shades that they have. So here we have 301, which is my shade, 302, and 303. So I'm going to shake up my foundation, and I like to apply it just directly on my skin. So this is one of my favorite foundations, and I really think this is one of you guys' favorites too, because I always get questions about this foundation when I wear it. Like, where can you purchase it? What shade am I in? Or how do I compare it to other foundations? So you guys really enjoyed this foundation. So we actually have a surprise for you guys. If you've been wanting to purchase this foundation and you just was on the fence about whether or not you wanted to purchase it, Kojindo actually has been really nice to give you guys the opportunity to not only get the foundation, but you'll get a free brush. The brush that I just used to apply my foundation, as well as a sponge that you can use to blend in your concealer or even your foundation. You will receive both of these, not just one or the other. You will receive both if you decide to purchase this foundation. The link for this foundation will be in the description box, as well as the code. But if you use the link, the code should already apply. But if you don't see minus TAYLORKGD, go ahead and still apply it in the discount code section. And I've been using this all week every time I apply this foundation. You can take this anywhere and it fits in your makeup brush bag. This brush is actually small enough to where you can really get underneath your eyes with it. The code will expire on February 28th, so you have less than 2 weeks. I know, so sad. But if you've been trying to decide on whether or not you want to purchase the foundation, now is the time. So check the link in my description box to check out more swatches. They do have a photo that showcases all of the foundations on the different skin tones. You can just see the way that it looks on my skin. It looks very, very natural. It doesn't appear that I have on a foundation, but it did cover up my discoloration that I have on my cheeks and a little bit around my mouth. It really got rid of that, and I really love this foundation. It never looks cakey on me, and this foundation is definitely buildable, so I can get more coverage than this if I let this layer dry and add more. But I actually love the way the foundation looks on first time, first go. Next, I'm going to use the Kojindo Moisture Fit Concealer. You guys have seen me use this a few times, and I'm just going to apply this like I apply my highlighting concealers. And then with a little setting powder, I'm just going to set that concealer into place. I'm now going to fill in my brows with the eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to set my eyelids with a bit of powder before I start with my eyeshadow shades. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today. You can tell I've been using it. I got stuff all on the top of it. So here are the shades. This is the brown eyeshadow palette. They're going to be launching 2 eyeshadow palettes, a brown one and a pink one. So when I first used this eyeshadow palette, I was actually shocked. This eyeshadow palette does not feel like powder onto your skin. It smooths on to where you really don't feel it when you're applying it. So the formula of these shadows actually has a gloss film powder, so it really smooths onto the eyelid, minimizing any lines that you have on your eyelids. So I'm going to be showing you guys a really easy look that you can recreate. I'm going to start with this darkest shade right here to apply the shadow in my upper crease area and bring it down. Now I'm going to add this shade right here, and on a large shader brush I'm going to just apply this all over the lid area. And then you know what else is great about these eyeshadows? Do you see any fallout? No, there's no fallout anywhere on my face from these eyeshadows. It's amazing. I'm now going to go back into this darkest shade, and on this angled shader brush I'm going to just apply this to my lower lash line to kind of smoke out the look a little bit. Now I'm going to take the white shade onto my finger and apply this in the center of my lid to really just highlight my eyes. All right, and then last but not least, I'm going to take this shade right here in the corner on my finger, and this is my inner corner highlight. So now we're going to go in with a little bit of the Kojindo brown eyeliner pencil and just apply this to the waterline. Next, we're going to take their liquid eyeliner and you shake it up 2 or 3 times. And so my trick with liquid liner is that I think of it as an extension of my lower lash line. So I go straight out from my lower lash line, and this way it's even on both eyes, and it gives you a guide. So a lot of times people say aim for your eyebrow. Well, if I aim for my eyebrow, because of my eye shape, it would go straight up. And so when I open my eye, the eyeliner would be in my crease. So I like to go straight out from my lower lash line, and it's perfect every time, most times. Watch I mess up this time. Look how precise that line is. This eyeliner is so good. Like, that is so precise. We have our eyeliner, lashes, and mascara on. Now all we have left to do is the lip color. I'm going to outline my lips with a dark brown lip pencil. And then for the lip color, I'm going to use the Cogendo lip crayon in the shade Red and really just blend this color into the lip liner. And then to add a little bit of gloss, it already looks a little glossy, but I'm gonna take it a step further and add the Cogendo lip gloss in the shade RD103. And I'm just gonna add this in the center. So this is the completed look. Don't forget to check out the description box. It'll be a link to the Aqua foundation if you want to try this out. And if you use the code in the description box, that's non-affiliate, by the way, you will get the brush and the sponge with your order of the Aqua foundation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.